Have you gained weight in this lockdown and scared of going anywhere for weight loss? Or you're not getting enough time being busy in your work? No worries. Whatever the reason is, all you have to just include these simple foods in your daily life and see the perfect weight loss in your body. By the way, before including this food in your daily diet, click your picture. Trust me guys, you are going to thank me after including this food in your diet. So let's watch. Nuts. Nuts are known to be heart friendly. Besides, they have additional property which help in burning fat and give great weight loss. They keep us full for a longer time. Eggs. Eggs are a rich source of protein and are low in calories. They help in weight loss. Eating one whole boiled egg every morning in breakfast keep our hunger at bay and keep us fuller for longer time. With additional properties, eggs even promote the bone health and boost our mind power. Sprouts. They are best for weight loss. Containing too much of nutrient and negligible calories, it keeps us stress-free from gaining any weight. They are full of fibers and keep us full for the longer time. Coconut water. Coconut water are low in calorie and easy on stomach. They are packed with bioactive enzymes that are known to easy digestion and boost metabolism. The higher the metabolic rate, the more fat you burn. Vegetable smoothies. These are quick, simple and best meal replacers. These keep our hunger level at check and promote muscles building, gives perfect weight loss and increase the beauty. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of antioxidant. They act as a natural weight loss stimulator. It boosts our metabolism. Adding 2 cups of green tea daily in our diet is a great idea for starting our weight loss. Yogurt. Adding yogurt to our daily diet helps in maintaining gut health and promoting easy digestion, which hence give healthy weight loss. Simple water or detox water. Water acts as an appetite suppressant. Drinking more water stops water retention. It cleans body waste and boosts our metabolism, thus leading to drop extra weight we are carrying. Rice. If you are a fan of rice, then don't panic that you cannot have rice when you are on diet. All you have to do, just remove the starch out of the rice and take extra veggies with it. Soups. Soups are ideal choice for weight loss. It contains lots of fiber, antioxidant and nutrients. All you have to do is just prepare your soup at home and take it as a dining option. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you find this video informative, please like my video, and for more upcoming information, please subscribe to it.